Hey guys, it's Vanny and we are going to be trying something new. I'm going to be filming a video what I eat in a week. So this is going to include the days that I do film mukbangs and the days that I don't. So it'll be obviously more of like a very casual vlog. I'll either be filming with my camera or my phone, just depending on whatever is most convenient at the time. Today is Thursday, December 9th. So we're gonna be starting on Thursday and we'll be filming every single day and just showing you guys what I eat for an entire week. So today is actually one of my filming days. I'm gonna be filming a mukbang. So we're gonna go pick up some Indian food and I'll show you guys what I get. And yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy this type of video. I know a lot of you guys have been requesting for me to make like what I eat in a week or like what I eat when I'm not filming. So this will kind of give you like a more personal insight of, you know, my daily eating habits. They're not the best, but sometimes I try. Alright, but before you guys continue watching, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe and turn on those post notifications because you know that'll really help me out. And I'm gonna go pick up some Indian food now. I've picked up the food. We are going to be filming an Indian food mukbang today. So if you guys are interested in that, watch my Indian food mukbang. Yeah, so we have here some pani puri. These are the ingredients for pani puri. Then some aloo gobi, bangan bharta, chicken tikka masala, chicken sag, rice, and some garlic naan. I'm gonna go film my mukbang now and I'll see you guys for the next meal.
It is about 9 p.m. right now, Thursday, and we decided to go get a little late dinner. I don't remember what it's called. Yoshi Haru Ramen. We tried it once and it's pretty good. Right now, our beef bowl came. We got a spicy beef bowl and it looks very delicious. We also ordered 2 ramens. I ordered a miso tonkatsu ramen and my boyfriend ordered, what did you order again? Some ramen with some black oil. Spicy beef bowl. There's a good amount of beef on there. And that's just a bunch of rice underneath. It's pretty good. I think the beef could be a little bit softer though. But it's nicely marinated. Okay, our ramen has arrived. This is my order. This is the miso tonkatsu. Look at the egg. It's nice and ooey gooey. We also have some chassis in here, bean sprouts, and the ramen. Then my boyfriend's order is here. This is the spicy black garlic tonkatsu. Spicy miso. Thank you. That's gonna help. A good way to try your partner's food is to ask them, you want to try mine? This is my boyfriend's. I feel like I might Yours might actually taste better today. They made mine a bit bland from last time we ate here. Yours is actually more bland too. I remember last time I said it was like really salty. We are at In-N-Out now because the ramen did not fill us up. So we got 2 cheeseburgers along with some french fries.
Guest number 10, please. Animal fry only. Guest number 10, please. Animal fry only. Guest number 10.
At BCD Tofu House, and we have some kimchi, potatoes, fish cake, cucumbers. I think that is squid. And here we have is the rice. Ooh, it's very hot. Let me try opening mine. Ooh, it's very hot. 감사합니다. We have is the seafood soondubu. And then the mandi soondubu. I don't remember the kimchi's good here. It's not fermented long enough. 감사합니다. This is the spicy pork. It's good. Very flavorful. Mashy salt. Do you like the potatoes here? When you're done with the soup, you tilt it like this to get the remaining of the soup. And then they also give you this. This is where the rice came from. But they put the boricha inside and you just kind of eat it with the crunchy rice. It's supposed to help with digestion. So we have here a breakfast burrito. There should be bacon in here and mushrooms, cheese, and beans, a bunch of other stuff. Then we have a pancake flight here. This is a chocolate chip cookie dough, and then we have a pineapple, upside down pineapple, and then some French toast. And then lastly we have here, this is mine, and we have eggs Benedict. There is avocado and tomatoes. It is a vegetarian eggs Benedict with some hash browns. This one right here is my boyfriend's dish. What's inside? This one right here is my brother's dish. He just got a classic, so bacon, scrambled eggs, toast, and hash browns. Ooh. Look at that egg yolk oozing down. Some ketchup on the hash browns. kind of tastes like an omelet, but with tortilla in it. Huh? The pineapple one's pretty good. That one's way too chocolatey. And the French toast.
$40-piece chicken nuggets from McDonald's and some large French fries. This is a Chinese soup my mom made. Some green vegetables. I don't really know what it's called in English, but in Chinese it's called Saiyan Choi Tong. And there's some carrots in here, pork. It's a pretty healthy soup. I'm gonna try some of this flan that I got from Costco. My mom made bom ryu. This is a Vietnamese noodle dish, and there's pork, crab, tofu, and tomatoes in here. It's really, really good. You eat it with these rice noodles here. So good. And then we're going to get some of these greens and also put them on top. I don't know, some rau rum. I don't know what it is, but it's pretty good. And also get the lemon. Squeeze the lemon on top. Here is shrimp sauce. It's pretty stinky, but you put some in. I also like to add some of this chili garlic sauce in here. It's pretty late at night right now, almost 12 a.m. I shouldn't be snacking, but I do want to try some of these shrimp chips. Katsu's laying there watching TV with my mom. And I also want to try some of these sweet, spicy chili Doritos. So the shrimp chip looks like this. Katsu's scared of the chip bags. If I move it closer, she starts to run away.
Most impressive thing you've ever seen. So what you do is kind of pick by how many 100 grams you want.
Okay, so over here we have our some carne asada fries, and then we have a steak and shrimp burrito. They also gave us an assortment of sauces. We just DoorDash today because it is really rainy. Okay, this is how the inside of the steak and shrimp burrito looks like. I see a lot of steak, but I don't see the shrimp. My mom got these chips, and it's artificial beer flavor. And they actually smell and taste like beer. It is so weird. So my mom bought some coconuts and she chopped them with a butcher knife. And yeah, it's fresh coconut water with coconut meat. I'm so excited because I love the coconut. And you carve out the meat. Ooh, that looks so good. Okay, now I'm going to eat some vegetarian food that my mom made. This is one of my favorite vegetarian foods. She made this a lot for me growing up, and there's mushrooms in there, pineapples, carrots, tofu, and it's really good. It's like a sweet and salty flavor, and you just eat it with some white rice. Super good. This is the tofu right here.
So over here we have is a chicken katsu with curry, and then we have a pork belly rice bowl with an egg on top, and then lastly we have here is a loco moco, and there's also an egg on top. And my mom over here, she got also chicken katsu. My brother also got chicken katsu. Let's pop this egg yolk. Oh yes, nice runny yolk. And let's also pop this egg yolk. Nice runny yolk. That pork belly is really good.
Walking with my mom. It's very, very chilly, so we are bundled up together, cuddling. Hi! Okay guys, these are my new glasses. Do you guys like them? This is it for my what I eat in a week video, so I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to smash that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, and of course subscribe to my channel. We are still in San Diego, but I'm gonna head back tonight, and in a few days we're gonna be going to Vegas, so I'll be making another like what I eat in a week video, but this time I'm gonna take you guys to Vegas with me. And yeah, all right, until next time, see you guys.